Hi dear friends, let's create new account in Roblox. The very first thing you have to do, you have to sign in Roblox Studio. Okay, let's go to Google Chrome, click on it, put here roblox.com, enter. The next step you have to do, you have to sign up. Okay, you have to enter the month you was born, March, the day you was born, 2nd, year you was born, or approximate. You can choose this, for example. Okay, and you have to choose the username. It has to be longer than 3 but shorter than 20 characters. Okay, let's try it. Something like Maggie. See, it's written everything, whether this username is okay or no, so it has to be more than 3. Okay, Maggie. But this username is already in use, so let's add 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 0. Still in use. Okay, let us do something like Maggie Roblox. Oh, Roblox. Nice. And some password. Let it be, for example, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. It has to be at least 8. Okay, 5, 6, 7, 8. Okay, create a more complex password. Let it be 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9 and question mark, 3 question marks. Okay, gender is the girl and sign up. Okay, the main idea is you not to forget what you choose, so you have to write it somewhere to remember it. And now you have to add mail and add some phone. Let it be email. And it looks like confirmation email is sent. Let me check it. So we got the email and that's it. Let's verify. Thank you.